Oh, hi guys. Hi everyone, I'm your host Landon. We're going to talk about today about this. Oh, sorry guys. It's a hot day today, very hot. So it's from the heat from the sun. Our sun is a star. It looks bigger to us because it looks closer to us. But in the universe, suns are way bigger than it. Ooh, I'm getting hot here. How hot is the sun exactly? There's two parts of the sun. The photosphere and the core. The photosphere is on the surface of the sun. It's 6,000 degrees Celsius. Inside the sun is 14 million degrees Celsius. The corona is kind of like the atmosphere of the sun. There's these things called sunspots on the sun. They're caused by the electromagnetic field. They seem to follow 11 years cycle. The sun is made of hydrogen and helium. Never look up directly at the sun. It could blind you. Wear sunscreen to protect your skin. Our Earth is the third planet in our solar system. We have a life. What would happen if we were closer or farther from the sun? If our Earth was farther, it will be so cold our water will freeze. Closer, our water will evaporate so much, no more water is left. Great position for the sun for life. The Earth spins on an axis one time in a whole 24 hours and one whole day. Nighttime gives us a break from the hot sun. The Earth's axis is at a tilt. The Earth spins around the sun one time each year like this. Because of the tilt and the spinning, it gives us the seasons from the sun. How old is the sun? It's 4.5 billion years old. Believe it or not, it has 4 or 5 billion years to live left. Night, it becomes a red giant. Lives out, become a giant nebula. We are going to make cookies with sunspots on them. Ingredients: frosting, sprinkles, cookie mix, eggs, flour, and butter. First, we're going to melt 1 stick of butter. I see it's melting. 1 egg. That's much better. Right, guys? There you go with me. 3 tablespoons of scoops in the flour. This one's flat. We put it in here. I have our cookie mix. Here's the big guy. Yeah, I need to be very careful, guys. We'll scoop it up to mix it. We're gonna roll out our dough. It's pretty hard. We're gonna use this glass of cup. We're gonna put it upside down to make it a hole. It's got hard, guys. Ta-da! So spray a pan. Put your cookies on the pan very carefully, like that. They got 375 degrees, 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna frost mine if you wanna frost it. Be very careful, you don't need to put too much like this. What I do? Sunspots don't happen every single year. It just happens like a little bit in the sun. That's why I put a little and I put a lot. Now it's time to eat that precious yummy cookies. Let's eat it. Bye, everyone. I'm gonna see you in the next episode, and we're gonna learn about more of the sources. Oh, bye. Thanks for learning with me today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel, please.